Hello guys, we are finally here at Sami Beach, Kohlarn, Iceland. This beach is super stunning guys. It's wonderful beach. You know, look at how this beach looked like. Oh damn. Look at guys, a lot of people, just incredible view from this side. Oh damn. I'm gonna stay here for a while guys, for longer, but actually we haven't enough time to stay on this wonderful beach. It's a little bit hot, of course. It's sunny, you know, when you are into beach, you know, if it's sunny then you're gonna enjoy well. You know, it shouldn't be rain here. Like, yeah, you can see guys, this beach is look wonderful guys. Like, I have been three beaches already here in Kohlarn, Iceland. Like, you know, all these three beaches look super stunning. Look at how this water looks like. Oh damn, I like it. I like this water. I love it. Look at the kids. It's not deep like the Thailand beach. Oh man, I will go into the sea, to the deep. I will go surely. But first, I just gonna show you our all view from outside. Yeah, and then I will go into the beach, into the sea. Yeah, water is pretty guys. It's super clean. Look at guys, it's super clean. Oh damn. It's time to go into the sea. I can't wait anymore here guys. This stunning beach. This stunning beach is like make me really feel cool. Look at how this beach look like pretty guys, all over. So a lot of people hanging out there. Look at even kids like really like enjoying on this beach. Oh damn. I wanna go their side and then like capture the pretty scenes. The more you go into the water, it looks like it's deeper and deeper. Like, oh, from onward, it's gonna deeper. Okay, I love it, guys. Everyone is chilling, enjoying out there. Super. It's cool, guys. It's cool. Oh, yeah. Look at it, guys. Here. Oh damn, this is deep. This is super deep. From onward, maybe it will be super deep. Yeah, the water is salty. Oh, from here is super deep. Let's see, try how deep is. I can't touch the ground. I can't touch the ground. It's deeper. It's super deep. I come to the deep area. Look at the main beach, how is far. How is far. There's now I don't touch the ground. Now I touch the ground. Oh, it's fine. I'm a little bit tired. Kohlarn. This Kohlarn really make me happy. The beach especially. Beaches really look cool. That I already mentioned that in Kohlarn, like a lot of Russian guys. You know, majority of the people here are Russians. Yeah, foreigners. Look like this is look like Russia or some other country. It's looking. It doesn't look Thailand. Look at. That's fantastic. It's salty. It's salty water. I'm not used to. I'm just splitting again and again. Oh. Ah.
Đi cầu good apple. Không, bây giờ good apple là cầu tí. Đi thầy. Phải. Phải rồi là đi phải rồi là đi phải.
Right now, but he came back.
Сейчас, Мария, принесу тебе блин. Ты вот эти возьми, я все не смогу.
Look guys, this beach, all over look pretty. It's a little hot outside, so but it's fine. It's fine. Massages everywhere.
Em không có không?
Ooh, it's very hot out there. My goodness. Whoa, it's crazy. Oh, damn. So guys, this is our look from here to there. Yesterday Yesterday I had massage for 1 hour. It was super crazy experience, guys. You know, Thai massage is, you know, is something like it's their own level, guys. This is something different massage. So if you are here in Thailand, guys, you must try Thai massage. That will make you like, that will make you definitely feel somehow crazy, somehow literally cool. So look at these waves. Sometimes, you know, the big boats like travel through this beach. Then there's this on this beach. Okay. Our view, guys. Look at. Outside. Blue skies. Yesterday I took that speedboat for 15 minutes. That was incredible. I really enjoyed. I want to take it again, but if we haven't enough time, probably we will move to another beach. Yeah, actually we already explored 3 beaches. This is our 4th beach, and we are probably gonna go to another beach. That is our 5th beach. Totally here in Kohlarn, Iceland, there are 6 beaches. So we will move to the 5th beach in a while, and probably we will miss one, and the last beach we will miss it. Haven't enough time. We try our best to explore this Kohlarn beach overall, but we haven't enough time. We came here for 2 days. No, 3 days. 3 days approximately. Today is the 3rd day.
Тебе ты показываешь?
Hello, buddies. What are you doing?
Кто показывает?
They are playing. All these Russian kids. These are Russian kids. 80% people here on this beach. Not only this beach, this Iceland, Kohlarn. Like 70 to 80%. I don't know why. Because the Russian a lot of people from Russia visited here. Hello. Where are you from?
Thailand.
Thailand. Which city? Which city?
Bangkok.
Oh, Bangkok.
Yes.
You enjoy? Okay.
Enjoy.
Enjoy well. Enjoy well. Amazing Thailand. It's amazing Thailand, guys. Really, the life here in Thailand is surely amazing. Okay, guys, how this beach is longer, guys. I cannot like go over there. It's too far. So, guys, look at that boats. That boat is shipping boat, but these all boats are like private boats. Like on private boat you can have party, like if you are bunch of the people, you can go to the boat and have party on the boat, on private boat. Yeah, so yeah, I have been experienced in Chantabuli, like having private boat. On the boat, what happens is actually it's music, it's fun, party, dance, everyone is drinking like this. Here in Thailand, private boat party is super crazy, guys. You know, some of the people, they drank on the boat and then jumping into the sea water. Actually, it's craziest moment, it's craziest party here in Thailand, the private boat party. So yeah, I have been experienced one time in Chantaburi. So guys, so far, you know, outside it's a little hot, but when you come inside, super cool, especially with this water, super cool.